Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Apple iPhone 15 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to switch off or power off Apple iPhone 15 Pro. To switch off your phone, usually you will use power button, long press this power button, but it will only open Sri. So if you would like to power off, then what will you do? Just you have to use power button and volume down button together. Just press them together, then only you will get switch off option and slide to power off. Just slide like this and your phone will be switched off. Yes, it has been switched off now. In this way, you can easily switch off. What you got to do is you got to press power button and volume down button together, and then you will get to power off soft key. Just you got to swipe from left side to right side, and your phone will be switched off. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.